Hello and welcome to AltheaSuite. Today I'm going to show you how we can modify an order to add a new model number with its serial number. Get started, we're going to go into orders, and then I'm going to be looking at this top one. So this is an order for Bill Nye. To modify this, we need to go to the context menu, scroll down until you find the option to modify. Once we do that, we're going to scroll down and we can see that we have two Whirlpool products. One is a washer and one is a dryer. But Bill Nye had called me earlier today and is requesting that I add a dishwasher onto his order, which is no problem. It happens all the time. So I'm going to type in the partials for my dishwashers, which is a WDT 750S. You see it's starting to narrow down my choices. The particular one I'm looking at is the AKZ. And then we're going to go ahead and select that. So select that, and then it's going to prompt me to add an extended warranty. So I have my options there, but I'm going to say no warranty there. Then I'm going to press OK. Now, if I had done this previously, when I first created the order, I could have assigned the serial numbers for all of my items. If I scroll down to the right, I have all of my serial number boxes over here. So we're getting this serial number column over here because we have this box selected to add a new line item for every serialized item that I have. Now from here, I can choose to select some of our serial numbers. So maybe this one there, maybe this one I'll grab from that warehouse. And maybe for our dishwasher that we just added, let's go and find an appropriate serial number for him. And then there we go. So this is just allocating the serial number onto this order. It will commit those serial numbers onto this order, and it'll tell the system exactly that this customer Bill Nye has those serial numbers associated with this order right here. Now what we can do, now that Bill Nye's order is all set, what we could do is come over here to this checkbox to create a schedule for all of my items. So Bill Nye wants to get this shipped out to him. So what we can do is at least put him on the calendar for a time that we want to go for. So because we're creating a schedule for all the items, you can go to any one of these. You just need to go to the context menu to hit that option to schedule our delivery. Then bring us over here. We're going to choose our Seattle truck since we're going. Maybe we won't go today because maybe we're running out of time, and maybe we'll do it tomorrow morning at some point, maybe at 10 o'clock there. So left click on there to create our delivery schedule. This delivery schedule is going to have all three of my quantities on there, plus the dishwasher that we've added. So two of the original quantities, we originally had the washer and the dryer on there originally, and then he just recently called to add this on there. Now that we have our shipping address selected over there, we just need to tell the system that this is going to take one slot in order to fill that onto our trip. And then we're going to hit that save button to save the appointment that's on here. Once the appointment has been saved, we can back out of the order. And if we scroll down again, you can see everything's is all right there. So that's how to create a schedule for all my items, including the dishwasher that we just added there recently. Now I'm gonna hit that update button to update my order, which will update all the parameters in the back end. Now we can do the inverse of this, where let's say that Bill Nye originally ordered all three of those products, but he actually doesn't need the dishwasher. So this could have happened before we actually invoiced the order, or it could even happened after we delivered partial the order, but we do have the ability to simply modify the order again. So context menu on the order that we're talking about, find our modify option there. Once we get into the modify order mode, simply scroll down and here's that large capacity dishwasher. Maybe Bill Nye changed his mind and actually doesn't need this on here anymore. So simply hit the context menu and hit that remove button, which will remove it from my order. And once you do that, any changes that you make in the modify mode, be sure to go down and click the update button on the bottom right. So that is how to do both add a new model item to your order and also how to remove it from the modify mode of the order. Thank you.